Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are venturing into the breathtaking land of Ethiopia to explore the otherworldly landscapes of Ertal and the Dallol Depression in the Afar region. Get ready for an epic journey filled with surreal beauty and extreme conditions. Let's dive right in. As the sun rises over the desolate plains of the Afar region, we are greeted with a scene straight out of a sci-fi movie. The vibrant colors of the Ertal volcano paint the horizon in fiery reds and oranges, a stark contrast to the barren landscape surrounding it. This volcanic marvel is a sight to behold, drawing adventurers and thrill-seekers from all corners of the globe. Ertal, also known as Erta, is one of the most active volcanoes in the world, continuously spewing molten lava from its fiery depths. Standing tall at over 600 meters, this shield volcano is a force of nature to be reckoned with. Its constant eruptions create a mesmerizing display of flowing lava and glowing red rivers of fire, making it a hotspot for photographers and geology enthusiasts alike. But our journey doesn't end there. Just a stone's throw away lies the Dallol Depression, a surreal landscape unlike anything you've ever seen. This alien world of bubbling hot springs, neon-colored mineral deposits, and sulfurous fumaroles is a feast for the senses. The vibrant hues of yellow, green, and orange create a psychedelic dreamscape that seems to defy the laws of nature. But don't be fooled by the beauty of the Dallol Depression. This otherworldly landscape is also one of the most inhospitable places on Earth. With temperatures soaring to over 120 degrees Fahrenheit, 49 degrees Celsius, and toxic fumes filling the air, it's a challenge just to survive in this harsh environment. Yet despite the extreme conditions, life finds a way to thrive in the most unexpected places. As we explore the Afar region, we can't help but be captivated by the rich cultural heritage of the local Afar people. Nomadic herders and traders, they have adapted to the harsh conditions of their environment, relying on camels and donkeys to transport goods across vast distances. Their traditional way of life is a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of the human spirit. For those brave enough to embark on this epic journey, the rewards are endless. From gazing into the fiery depths of the Ertal volcano to marveling at the surreal beauty of the Dallol Depression, every moment is a new discovery waiting to be made. So grab your gear, pack your sense of wonder, and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime in the heart of Ethiopia's Afar region. As we bid farewell to the otherworldly landscapes of Ertal and the Dallol Depression, we are left with a profound sense of awe and gratitude for the beauty that surrounds us. The natural wonders of the Afar region are a reminder of the incredible diversity and resilience of our planet, and a testament to the power of Mother Nature herself. So until next time, stay curious, stay adventurous, and never stop exploring the world around you. Thanks for joining us on this unforgettable journey. See you in our next adventure.